I'm about to construct my solar lab project, and so the pieces or the items I'm going to be using for this project are a Pringles can, marshmallows, tape, a skewer, little nail, hammer, ruler, thermometer, Sharpie, and plastic wrap. So what I'm going to do first is I've emptied out my Pringles can, and I'm going to start by making a small hole in the bottom of the can. So I'm just going to put this over because the little dot in the middle is a good guideline for where I want my nail to go. Okay, and I'm going to take my hammer and carefully make it a little bigger. Take it out. Make this a little bigger. That was a terrible noise. Okay. I'm going to put my lid back on top of my can and try and get, okay, that is, well, not big enough. Tear that a little bigger. Okay, this is extremely long, so I'm actually going to cut it at some point. Get it through the bottom hole, which is also not big enough, so I'm going to make that a little bigger. Attempt to make it a little bigger. Okay. Okay, still need a little bigger. Oh God. There we go. Okay. So. Okay, this stick is extremely long. Outrageously long. Whoa. Got myself in the eye. Okay. Just need it to fit back through that hole. Come on, it just fit through this hole. Okay. Got it upside down. Okay. So you see now that it fits through both sides. This can is upside down, but that was the point of that. So now, I'll take that out of there. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to go along the back of the can. We're going to get the ruler, and I'm lining it up with the nutrition facts, like this. I'm going to take, I'm going to take my Sharpie. I'm going to draw this line down the can about an inch from the bottom-ish. Do the same thing on the other side of the nutrition label. Okay, good. And then now I'm just going to connect the line, whoops, as straight as I possibly can. Okay, and then I'm just going to go across this top part and make my marks so I know, so I know where my markings are. Okay, next I'm going to take my little nail and just pop 4, maybe, yep, pop 4 holes in all the corners like this. also, I forgot, you also need scissors for this project, which I need to go get. So I'm gonna find some scissors real quick. Okay, so I have my scissors. So I'm just going to cut this big rectangle out, maybe. Without cutting myself, I'm going to cut this rectangle out. There we go. I'm going to cut the whole rectangle out. Okay, good. So now we have this first part of our solar oven. Now what we're going to do is take, I've got chips all over me. We're going to take our plastic wrap and open it up. Ow. Take our plastic wrap, trash over here. Okay. And still opening plastic wrap. Okay. I just need enough really to fit that hole, but I'm going to, so what I'm going to do is cover that hole, cover that hole with the plastic wrap, but this is obviously too much plastic wrap. So I'm going to place it over the hole, and then I'm going to take my tape. Okay, so I'm taking my tape, take one piece, and I'm going to start by just setting it where I want it, and then so I tape the edge right to the top. And then I'm going to go with my scissors and just kind of cut this excess. And I try and cut this excess off. I don't need that much. Tear a little bit. Okay. Shoot. Okay. I'm going to tape more along the top so it just holds where I want it to. I'm just taking the tape and placing it with the plastic wrap. Like that. actually just going to tear this extra off. So all I can do is okay. Shoot. Okay, I'm going to cut that bottom part off. Okay, good. So tape it on all the sides. Still taping. See, taping it all around. Just have this last side that I'm going to tape down. Okay, almost done. Okay, so 1 or 2 more pieces. Okay, so now I have my solar oven, and so what I will be doing is placing inside of it. Whoops, I'm gonna get half of cut my skewer in half. There we go. So now I have half my skewer. And so I will be, I hope it doesn't get shards everywhere. Nice. Okay. Good. Oh. Just popped a small hole in my solar oven. Which is not part of the plan. So I'm going to cover that. A little tape. Okay. Now it is patched. No holes. Good. Okay. I'll continue doing this without popping another hole. Or stabbing myself. Okay. So now I have my skewer in there, and I will also be placing my thermometer inside. Oops. And I'm going to use, let's see. Okay, good. The thermometer's too big. Okay, I'm going to get a smaller thermometer for when I put it outside. But I'm going to put the marshmallows on the skewer with the thermometer inside, and then I'm going to watch the temperature of the marshmallows over the course of an hour to see how hot they get and see what happens. So that is the construction of my solar lab. Thank you.